In Makerspace today for second grade, they will be coming in and watching a video, and then they will be building something pertaining to the story. My second graders will be doing a platform to keep their pumpkin from rolling down a hill, and they will use different materials on their tables and work in groups. In your group, you need to talk together. It can't be one person building it. You need to discuss, how would you make the legs to your platform? How would you make the top to your platform so that your pumpkin can sit on it?
What did you build?
I built a platform, but it looks like a table, but the first time we made it as a flat platform, but actually flat, then we actually thought that we could make another thing, so we made a table.
That lesson too helps them also work together and to improve on their design. If they have anything that doesn't work, then they're able to go back and improve on that design.
Okay, look. Hit it.
I've seen a really big improvement in students working collaboratively, talking to each other, being kind to each other in their groups.
Carlos wants to make Carlos, come over here. We're going to let you build.
My fifth grade is going to come in and build a catapult, a different kind of catapult that we've never built before. So they're really going to have to work collaboratively to get this built and work with each other. Potential energy and kinetic energy, right?
We built a catapult, and I thought it was really cool. I like building stuff, so that's my favorite part of doing it.
I love this. I've been teaching for a long time, and this is probably the best class I've ever taught in my career.
Ready? Nobody's dead. Shoot.